Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Merchant Center mystery presentation case study. Okay, it's a slightly different because the client was fed up of mystery presentations from Google because Google has been very frequent now in suspensions. Although we do provide a complete Google Ad and GMC management service as well for those who get their websites approved, and we also provide them a complete website solution. And this is one of the case where the client opted for a complete website solution from us, where we created a website for them and got it approved through Google Merchant Center. Apart from getting it approved from Google Merchant Center, we also help the client in sorting out their Google Search Console issues, improving on social media, and so it was a very complete package for them. So let's get started on this amazing case study. So you can see around over here. Now this is a website, which is an approved website. And if you look around on my YouTube channel and other videos, I have been speaking in detail on our 160 plus checklist, which we have learned after restoring hundreds of Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, disapproval suspensions, Google Business Profile suspensions, on what are the factors Google look before suspending an account, and what are the factors Google look before approving an account. We also used Heatmap and other softwares to understand where the Google crawlers are coming, looking around the issues. Now the list is continuously evolving with Google looking on new factors. Apart from this, the website trust factor, the website reputation management is also an issue, and because it's a new website which we created from A to Z. This is the complete A to Z Shopify website which my team created. And if you look around, you can see around over here, small to small detail was being looked around. You can see every small minor detail was cross-checked. Broker links, even choosing options, matching it with the GMC, the options on Shopify. If I try to add multiple products with different variants, any issue or not, the add to cart is working, the privacy policies, other pages are compliant or not, the billing terms and conditions, shipping policy, disclaimer, do not sell information, track your order page was ensured. In this process, we also ensured no placeholder was being found in the website. Every small to small detail was also cross-checked for any issues, possible errors. The payment methods we listed over here are actually present or not. The email newsletter is working fine or not. Now there are few social media, restrictions as well, where it needs to match with your website information. All was done. The email addresses, the phone numbers, everything was cross-checked in this process. I will also show you the suspension error. So although we provided them with our own Google Merchant Center account, but it was automatically suspended. You may see around over here and got misrepresentation error, but don't worry, my team was working on it. So this was a time I'm just showing you as an example that even because the compliance is the one more important thing. Sorry for the wrong information over here. So let's look around on the discussions. You may see around here there was ample of discussions being done through my team and the Google Merchant Center team, the client. You may see around after reviewing your Merchant Center, I would like to inform you that the policy suspension means that we have reviewed your account and conclude that it does not comply with our shopping ads. This was a wider team review, and you may see around over here the Google doesn't want users to feel misled by the content promoted in shopping ads and free listing. That means being upfront, honest, and providing shoppers with the information. Then you make it okay. Another case over here. Now this is for the Google Search Console errors, as I told you. This is another rejection. Now this was an ID verification rejection. This is slightly different the rejection because the account needed an ID verification for the approval over here. Small changes in the minor facts, shipping policy. Sometimes what happens is people list shipping policy page on the main page is something different, and on the shipping policy page is different. So sometimes this can cause an issue. So minor to minor details are also very important. This is a social media. We looked around for the policies for the social media compliance, and apart from this, another Search Console video. I'm going to show you over here that the crawler needs to have an updated pages over here before it's going to get approved and running. And this was one such an example. And you may see around over here that the account we provided them was This is their own account. They tried, we know, but we told them that we are going to provide them our own account, and after this, we got an approval. Now I'm going to show you. I have shown you in 5 minutes what my team did in 2 months. So it took them a lot of time because even the website designing took a lot of time. And I'm going to show you the real account, so guys have a clear idea. And I'm going to okay. I'm going to make myself over here, so guys have a clear picture. We're going to refresh in front of you guys, so you can see around over here. And it's been some days, the account is running fine before I created this video. You can see around over here, so it's getting clicks as well. You can see the product's not approved, and now it's in approved. I'm going to show you more data over here, whatever is available for your compliance information, so you can see yourself that no, it's no score yet, but I'm going to show you over here that the products were, you can see around over, this was the approval time, and then they got it limited, and this was a time which was not approved time, and this is from 23rd, today is 28 Jan 2026, and you can see around here it's running right now well, perfectly fine. So you may see around over here the products are fine, and some process feed is being used in the process. You may see around over here the data sources over here. You can see approved and running. You can see everything over here. You can see shipping fine, policies over here. So don't worry with the store quality. It's you can see approved. It's something which they get after some time. So we have to give them more time before we can see over here. You can see over here it's running right now over here. You can see the clicks are also coming over here. You can see this was the time when the it was not running, and now it's running over here. And if I look on the notification, there is no suspension notification or something like this, so which makes that the account is approved and running. So yeah, the account was also being suspended, and the misrep, as I told you over here, that the account went into twice the suspension. As I told you, this was suspension over here and other suspension. Let me show you once again. In this one, you can see this is a second suspension over here. So you can see this is a multiple suspension issues, but don't worry, my team got it sorted and made it approved and running right now over here. This is a successful Google Merchant Center suspension restoration case study. And for those who don't know, we are a full-fledged company, and we provide Google Ads plus Google Shopping Ads management services, Google Business Profile management services, so in case, and also website development services like this case study, where we provided them a complete website. So if you need either of the service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this amazing case study for the Google Merchant Center restoration, and we look forward working with any of you who wants to get the Google Merchant Center restored or running, or who wants to get their Google Merchant Center plus Google Ads management or Google Business Profile management. We are a full-fledged company, and we look forward working with you. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward working with you. Take care, bye bye.